Hello, everyone, and good afternoon. Welcome to today's webinar on Agentic Operations using AI to automate systems, admin tasks, and ticket triage. We are thrilled to have so many IT professionals join us today. Let's be honest, no one gets into IT because they love repetitive tasks, sorting through messy ticket queues, or fighting the same low level fires every single day. Today, we are talking about a massive shift in how we work. We aren't just talking about basic automation scripts anymore. We are diving into the world of agentic AI, systems that can perceive, reason, and actually resolve routine tasks and triage tickets autonomously. In this session, we are going to show you how to move from reactive firefighting to proactive AI driven operations, giving your team the time back for high value projects. Today we have with us Devansh Kothavade and Vivek Kundu to take you through this session. Before we dive into the session, I request you all to put your questions during or after the session in the Q&A section. Thank you so much. Over to you, Devansh.
All right, thanks Monica for the introduction. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's webinar on Agentic Ops. Using AI to automate routine system administration activities and transform the way IT teams manage tickets and operational challenges. Before we get into the technical side of Agentic AI, I would like to spend a few minutes introducing Cloud.in and giving you some context on why we are discussing this topic today. So, over the last few years, we have seen a major shift in how businesses operate. Earlier, organizations were mainly focused on moving to the cloud. Today, the challenge has evolved. So, businesses are already running on cloud platforms, hybrid environments, and complex IT ecosystems. But the biggest challenge is managing these environments efficiently. IT teams are dealing with increasing ticket volumes, repetitive operational tasks, monitoring requirements, security concerns, and the need to deliver faster resolutions. At Cloud.in, this is something we work closely with our customers on every day. Our focus has always been helping organizations simplify cloud operations, improving reliability, and reduce operational complexity through expertise, automation, and managed services. And now, with agentic AI, we are entering the next phase where systems are not just automated based on the predefined rules, but can understand situations, make decisions, and take meaningful actions as well. So, today's discussion is not just about AI as a technology, it is about how AI can become a practical operational partner for IT teams. All right, so let me start with a quick introduction to Cloud.in. Cloud.in helps organizations maximize the value of cloud technology by bringing together cloud expertise, operational experience, and 24 by 7 support capabilities. With over 2 decades of experience, we have worked with businesses across different industries, helping them adopt, manage, and optimize their technology environments. Our journey has been closely connected with the evolution of IT, from traditional infrastructure management to cloud adoption, migration, modernization, and now intelligent operations. Today, organizations are not only looking for a cloud provider, they are looking for a trusted partner who can understand their business requirements, manage complexity, improve performance, and continuously optimize their environments. So that is where Cloud.in plays a role. We help businesses move from reactive IT management, where teams respond after something breaks, towards proactive operations where issues can be identified, analyzed, and resolved faster. And Agentic Ops is a natural extension of the vision because it brings intelligence into daily IT operations. All right, so when we look at Cloud.in's journey, it has always been driven by one objective: helping businesses successfully adopt new technology and use it to create business value. We started our journey by supporting organizations in their digital transformation initiatives. As cloud technology became a major business enabler, we expanded our capabilities around cloud consulting, migration, and managed services. Our AWS partnership has a significant milestone because it helped us build deeper expertise around designing and managing cloud environments. Over the years, we continued building capabilities across migration, modernization, security, optimization, and managed operations. Today, businesses are entering another transformation phase. The question is no longer only how do we move to cloud? The question now is how do we operate smarter in cloud? So this is where AI and automation becomes extremely important. Agentic Ops represents that next step, where organizations can combine cloud expertise with intelligent automation to create faster, more efficient, and more resilient operations. So, to give a brief about our journey, in 2015, we had a major milestone wherein we got our partnership with AWS. And in 2016, we launched the brand called Cloud.in under hosted services. During the period of 2018 to 22, we got six service deliveries from AWS. And today, as of now, we have recently got the premier partnership consulting services from AWS, which makes us one of the best consulting teams in India. All right, so our core competencies. So at Cloud.in, our capabilities cover the complete cloud journey from strategy and consulting to implementation, management, optimization, and security. Our AWS competencies demonstrate our ability to work across different areas of cloud adoption and management. But beyond certifications and technology expertise, what really matters is operational experience. Managing enterprise environments requires understanding real world challenges, things like application dependencies, infrastructure monitoring, security requirements, compliance needs, and business continuity. When we talk about agentic ops, it builds on this foundation. AI agents need accurate information, structured processes, and a strong operational framework to make effective decisions. Without proper cloud management practices, automation alone cannot deliver the expected outcomes. That is why our approach combines cloud expertise, managed services, and intelligent automation together. All right, so this slide represents some of the technical areas where Cloud.in has built strong capabilities. Modern organizations depend on multiple AWS services, infrastructure, database, security services, networking, application platforms, and monitoring tools. Our experience across these services helps us understand how different components work together in a real enterprise environment. Now, when we introduce agentic AI into IT operations, this technical understanding becomes extremely important. An AI agent needs to understand what is happening across the environment. For example, if a server issue occurs, the AI should not only identify the alert, it should understand the workload impact, check related events, analyze possible causes, and recommend or execute the right action. This is the right from simple automation to intelligent operations. And our cloud expertise provides the foundation required to make that possible. All right, so our tech partnerships, technology environments today are becoming more connected and complex. Organizations need solutions across multiple areas: security, observability, data management, platforms, and operational management. At Cloud.in, we believe that successful IT transformation requires an ecosystem approach. For agentic operations, visibility is one of the most important factors. AI cannot make good decisions without understanding the environment. It needs access to information such as system logs, monitoring data, incident history, user requests, and operational workflows. Our technology partnerships help create this connected environments where organizations can get better visibility and stronger operational intelligence. The end goal is to help businesses move towards a more proactive operating model. I'll just take you through our technology partnerships. So for data streaming, we've got Kafka and Confluent. For observability, New Relic, Site 24 by 7, Datadog, and Nagios. Backup and data protection, we've got Commvault, Veritas, HCL, and Trend AI. For security partnerships, we've got Palo Alto and F5, and as you all know, we are recently got the premier tier partnership from AWS. So this is how our ecosystem looks like. We can help our customers. We can be an endpoint for our customers, even if they're looking for observability, security platform. So we are like a one-stop solution for our customers. All right, so these are some of the industries that we've already worked with, and cloud transformation and IT challenges are common across industries, as you all know. But every industry has unique requirements, right? For example, financial organizations focus heavily on security, compliance, and availability. Healthcare organizations need strong data protection and reliability. Manufacturing companies manage a combination of operational systems and modern applications. E-commerce businesses need scalability because customer demands can change instantly. Across all these industries, one thing remains common. IT teams are expected to deliver more with limited time and resources. This is where automation and AI can create significant impact. So by reducing repetitive activities and improving operational efficiency, teams can spend more time on innovation rather than routine troubleshooting. All right, so the use cases we cater to. At Cloud.in, we focus on solving practical business problems through technology. Our services cover areas such as migration, optimization, disaster recovery, security, infrastructure management, and automation. Many of these areas directly connect with agentic operations. For example, in traditional IT operations, a ticket is created, uh, assigned manually, investigated, and then resolved through multiple steps. With agentic AI, this process can become much more intelligent. AI can understand the request, identify patterns, recommend solutions, automate workflows, and involve human teams only when required. This does not replace IT teams, instead, it allows teams to focus on complex problems while AI handles repetitive operational activities. Alright, so these are some of the products that we've built in house at Cloud.in. Along with our managed services capabilities, Cloud.in has also built solutions that address common challenges organizations face while managing modern environments. These platforms focus on areas like governance, security assessments, and cloud management. As organizations adopt AI, governance becomes even more important. Businesses need to know what actions is AI taking, who approved these actions, are security policies being followed, is compliance maintained. A successful agentic ops strategy requires both intelligence and control. So I'll just take you through the products that we've built. So Niyantrak is a secure cloud governance and configuration control platform. Freedom is a multi-cloud billing environment wherein you can manage AWS and the other cloud providers in a single platform. Rudra Sentinel is a single platform that helps security teams monitor systems, detect threats, and fix vulnerabilities. Evalix AI is a smart platform for creating, managing, and securing fast, flexible, and AI-driven assessments. Yeah, so at the end of the day, technology investments are measured by outcomes. Organizations want better efficiency, faster resolution, improved security, optimized costs, and reliable operations. Through our managed services approach, Cloud.in helps businesses achieve these outcomes by combining monitoring, automation, operational expertise, and continuous optimization. And this brings us to today's main topic. The future of IT operations is moving from manual processes to automated workflows and now towards intelligent autonomous operations. Agentic operations represents this evolution. It enables organizations to move from simply reaching incidents towards predicting, preventing, and automatically resolving operational challenges. So, with that foundation about Cloud.in, I'll hand over the mic to Vivek now. He will take over the topic, today's topic now about agentic operations. Over to you, Vivek.
So thank you, Devans, for the introduction and entire briefing about what we are and what we do. So starting with agentic ops using AI to automate routine system admin tasks and ticket Triage. So here it comes. Today, IT teams are facing four major challenges. The first there are simply too many tickets coming in every day, right? Such as password resets, access requests, and software issues. Second, engineers spends lots of time doing repetitive tasks of focusing on innovation, business improvement. And the third problem which people do face is tickets are often assigned to the wrong teams, which increases resolution time and frustrates users. Finally, as an organization adopt more cloud services, application and remote work, managing IT environments become more complex. So the key message is that mutual IT operations are no longer scalable. The organizations need smarter way to handle growing workloads. So the growing challenges for IT teams. So as I mentioned, all these 3 points. So these are the major points I need to mention. That too many tickets, repetitive work, slow resolution time, increased complexity. So these are the major blockages or pain point which most of the organization or manual IT operation gets slow in productivity, which directly or indirectly affects the cost, and it makes in the entire team to scale and to work efficiently. So coming to what is agentic AI? So in a simple way, if I have to say, agentic AI is a next step beyond traditional automation. Unlike rule based automation, agentic AI understands a goal, decides what actions are needed to achieve it. It can analyze situations independently, make decision to adopt changes, conditions, and complete tasks from starting to the finish. It handles your overall progress and takes you to the level where you have to go and capture all the things into your hand, which makes you adaptive to the change or the condition. And it can also analyze situation independently, make decision, as I mentioned, to adapt changing conditions and complete task from start to finish. For example, if I have to say, if an employee reports a laptop issue, right? So agentic AI can create a ticket, assign it to a correct team, monitor progress, and update the user automatically. So as you can see, it doesn't replace human but helps you beyond human. So it helps you, the team, helps the team to understand the overall structure, and it analyzes the overall flow. The someone who is assistantly working for you, who can create, assign, and update accordingly as per the need. In simple terms, it moves us from automation to autonomous operation. So it is goal oriented, independent decision taking, and dynamic adaptivity and end to end resolution entirely done by agentic AI. So coming to part, how agentic AI works, a four stage intelligence cycle. So agentic AI works through four stages. The first is perceive, when gathers information from ticket, logs, alerts, email, and enterprise systems. So these are the all metrics can AI can collect from you. Second is reason, where it analyzes the situation, identify your problems, identify the niche or the ground level problems, and decide on the best courses of action, what to do. Then the third comes is act, where it execute actions such as creating tickets, applying fixes, or notifying the stakeholders. So these are the core values or the core things which agentic AI solves in everything. Uh, so finally, it learns from outcome, uses the knowledge to improve the future decision. This continuous cycle allows AI agent to become more efficient over the time. So the evolution of IT operations. Slide show how IT operations has evolved. Traditional automation flows, predefined rules, handles only a specific task or manual thing. It doesn't understand that where things are arranged properly. AI powered automation adds intelligence by understanding the entire context, that what you want to do or what exactly your business requirement and the other things, and making recommendations. So this is what a person or second brain can do if they want to help you in your day to day work or to improve the business. The agentic operations go one step further by making decision and completing the task autonomously. For example, instead of simply classifying a VPN issue, right, a AI agent can prioritize it, route it to the right team, even trigger corrective actions automatically. This goal is faster service delivery and less manual intervention. which obviously saves your time as well as the cost. So uh, all these examples are serving desk automation, access management, self healing, and incident, which helps you for like how AI agent can help for your day to day task in your managed services as well as your day to day development process. So how cloud.in uses agentic AI in enterprise operation. So at cloud.in, we use agentic AI across multiple business functions. In IT operation, AI in monitoring systems, automates ticket triage, helps resolve incident faster for customer support, and in AI handles common queries like escalates complex issues when necessary. In manufacturing and logistics, it helps forecast demand, optimize inventory, and manage disruption. For BFSI and enterprise function, AI supports compliance, fraud detection, onboarding an employee request. The result is improved efficiently, reduce manual efforts, and better business outcomes. So these are the benefits we see in our AI era of enterprise operation. Okay, so the importance of governance, security, and compliance in agentic operation. So you might be curious about how it AI can play the role in governance, security, and compliance stuff, right? So while AI brings automation, governance and security remains critical. Sensitive actions such as granting admin access or approving payment still required human approval, right? So every action performed by AI is locked for transparency and audit processes. Access is controlled through role based permission, so user only see what they are authorized to access. Additionally, AI can automatically follow compliance standard and compliance policy. So this is all stored behind the box in the context to help the AI understand what your requirement are based on your role based access, and providing the least privilege access to a particular person or the candidate, or you can say anyone. Additionally, AI can automatically follow compliance standard and company policies. This ensures that automation remains secure, accountable, and compliant. So why partner with cloud.in? So Cloud.in helps organization move from manual IT operation to intelligent AI operation. Our solution can handle large ticket volume efficiently, seamlessly, while improving route, routing accuracy. We reduce repetitive troubleshooting work, which you face personally in our day-to-day tasks. So allowing IT teams to focus on higher value activities. So not everyone need to go and sit around troubleshooting the work and the errors. AI handles for you so that your team is highly valuable, processing your high valuable time in the activities which are very important, or the business use case. AI driven automations speed ups issue resolution and improve service quality. Most importantly, we help organization move towards proactive and self-healing IT operations. With cloud.in, businesses can increase efficiency, improve user experience, and scale IT operations more effectively. So, uh, So as I mentioned, so with cloud.in, business can increase efficiently, which not only helps in user experience, but it manages your entire infra so that there is no activity or headache at your end. It entirely manages and scales the IT operations here. So AI driven automation speeds up issue resolution, improves service quality in your work. This is what cloud.in do. So so question is, ready to automate routine IT administration and ticket triage? If yes, let us know, and you can contact us cloud.in team using the mail id sales at cloud.in, and as you can see there is a phone number displayed. You can reach out with us, and if you have any questions regarding agentic AI or any issue you are facing in your day-to-day task, please let us know, and you can scan the QR code and submit your feedback if anything else.
Thank you, Vivek and Devansh. So, since we are at the end of the session, feel free to put any of your questions in the Q&A box and we'll be happy to answer them. In the meantime, those who do not have any questions, you can also scan the QR code on the screen and share your feedback with us. I suppose there are no further questions, but in case you have any, you can always reach out to us on the number given on the screen. So, thank you so much for attending. I hope to see more of you in the next session. Thank you all.